So guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pierre and this is Simple Homebrew. Today is another tasting. It's Wednesday. I'm on holiday at the moment, so I've got another 2 weeks off. This is the last of my 2 weeks off for a while, so I'm going to really make it worth my while. So I'm going to make videos. Basically, hopefully, edit as much as I can before I have to go back to work. I have been pretty busy. Today I'm doing a tasting on an Australian IPA by Colonial Brewing Company. They originally came from Western Australia and parked their butts over in North Melbourne, I believe. They opened themselves up a brewery down there. In 2015, they were there, ready to go, and started creating beer. So today I'm going to try it. It's a Australian IPA. Oh, it's got the, that was really hard to get off, by the way. It's got the Australian green and gold, which is absolutely really nice. I'll give you a close look at that. The write-up is on their website is basically it is a nice hoppy flavour, citrus, pine notes, a very Australian feeling, tasting. You know, like a day at the beach. This is a very summery drink, and then it goes on saying it's a summery drink, it's a autumn drink, it's a winter drink, and it's a spring drink. He drinks a whiskey drink, he drinks a vodka drink, he drinks a lager drink, he drinks a cider drink. It's an all-rounder. So today, all I'm doing is just tasting it. I'd like to introduce you to a new glass. I broke my old one. And what can you do, you know? We'll open her up and see what it looks like, huh? All right. Here's my glass. You guys can see the pour there. I'm looking at the screen where I'm videoing while I'm pouring this. Just to see the colour difference. And to tell you the truth, oops, didn't expect it to come out like that. Anyway, it's the same. On the screen it looks a little darker. If I put it up to the light a little, oh, you can't see it there. If I put it up to the light a little, brand new glass, so that's going to help. I'll give you a bit of a closer look. A tad amount of cloudiness to it. Lots of carbonation, I can tell, as you can tell. It's got a pretty good head, you know, the head's, it's there. So yeah, the story is, guys, I've been flat out. So I've been trying to make videos at the same time and try to edit. And it's been a bit of a challenge, I can tell you. I had a few issues with cameras as well as microphones. I'm using my old Rode mic, which is really, really good. The newer one's good for live streaming. Sorry, I keep hearing something over here. Don't know what it is. Anyway, we'll keep going. Now Cornelius is just finished mowing the lawn. So I don't know where he is, but I'm sure he'll poke his head in. Anyway, let's have a look. Yeah, yeah, I'm getting a mango note, citrus. And even though I've sipped it a little bit, it's kind of messed with my sinuses, my nose. I'll have to have a drink of water, I think. Hang on. Yeah. Well, that works. So we're getting a citrus note, of course. Pine, I can't really smell any pine in that. We'll try it, shall we? I'm pretty bad at this, as you can tell, but it doesn't matter. The reason why I'm doing this is to learn flavours and beers, as well as share my experiences for the week with you guys. Wow, that's not bad. I quickly got the hit I got, it's almost like a breakfast marmalade, almost a breakfast marmalade flavour. That's, if you know what marmalade is, any of you guys. That's really how can I explain it. It's got a bitterness to it like marmalade does. If you bite into marmalade, there's a sweetness in it, like this has, and a bit of a bitterness at the end, which I can taste right now. The bitterness is different. It's not like a hop bitterness. It's a... Now, I just learned something too, by the way. Lachlan in Mountain Culture Beer Co. explained to me what hop burn was. When you, with my dolly that I made, I have a bit of bitterness in it, and he said it will dissipate after a while through hop burn, because there's so many hops in it. It creates a really bitterness flavouring that will dissipate after a while. Didn't know that until I did this, so learning. Anyway, I can now smell the malt in there. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's like marmalade toast. This is what I'm getting. I don't know anybody who's explained it like that before, but I am definitely getting a marmalade flavour and smell out of this. Very fruity, tropical. I copped a few more nice little honey notes in that. It's not a bad beer. I mean, people are saying that it's not their favourite. I think it's because it's got that bitterness in it. If it wasn't so bitter and had a bit less bitterness in it, the marmalade's flavour would disappear and it would be more a sweet tasting IPA. I might share this with Cornelius today. I think he's a bit knackered, so he's been mowing the lawn and it's a bit warm today. It's a very sunny day, so we shall see. I know what he's doing. We'll have a look. What are you doing? Oh my God, Cornelius, what are you doing? You want to...
Huh?
Oh my God. All right, doesn't look like he's getting this today. Oh well.
Yeah,
cheers, mate. Well, it looks like he misses out today, but that's Cornelius for you. Cheers. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to say hello and give me a big thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. I'm bloody real.